Good afternoon. I'm Charlie Baumgartner, and I am doing my leaf project on the silver maple and the green ash on the grounds of Black Hills State University, both of which are on opposite sides of Jonas Hall. My hypothesis is that all of those trees will start to turn color approximately by October 1st, which I put on here coincides with my home state of Wisconsin, the grouse hunting season. Because of the lack of sunlight that happens in this neck of the woods of not only northern Wisconsin, but western South Dakota, we see that photosynthesis has a great effect on the leaves as they start to change from green to many other colors that are dormant, which are yellow xanthophyll, orange carotene, and red anthocyanin. Unfortunately, the trees that I chose only went from the green to the yellow, which of course is xanthophyll. Some of which have lost their tree or their leaves, and the green ash, I did not get a picture of because we had a early snowfall and I could not get a picture of that. As Dr. Metler said, do not worry about that because we did lose all of the leaves. At any rate, my hypothesis was pretty close to target as the trees started to change color to yellow or xanthophyll. So I would like to state in conclusion that from the early August, actually September 1st, throughout early October, we can see from the sunlight fading how our trees' leaves started to go through the lack of photosynthesis of keeping green, the chlorophyll, to exhibiting the dormant colors of yellow xanthophyll, orange carotene, and red anthocyanin. As you can see from my pictures, we only get to see the green, the chlorophyll, at the end of summer, and the yellow, the xanthophyll, throughout fall. And then they started to turn brown and drop their leaves. However, the last picture that I showed was of Wisconsin and many other New England states of our xanthophyll, carotene, and anthocyanin that are exhibited throughout the forests in the United States. Thank you very much.